Casework Keyless Lock Kit Installation. Insert spindle into the lock body. Place knob on spindle. In the unlocked position, rotate knob and spindle 180 degrees counterclockwise until you hear or feel a snap sound. Verify the spindle is engaged into the lock body and can be rotated back and forth before removing knob from the spindle. Install lock housing and secure with one screw. 3/8" thread forming screw for sheet metal mullion. Ensure spindle is fully rotated counterclockwise with the knob in the locked position placed onto spindle. Rotate knob 45 degrees clockwise towards the unlocked position. While pressing inward on knob, secure knob to spindle by inserting the hex tool through the hole in the lock housing. Then, rotate hex tool clockwise to tighten. Note: applying pressure to the knob while securing to the spindle will keep the lock housing tight to the surface behind the lock. Unsnap the battery holder cover and rotate out of the way. Back out the screw several rotations. Then, install battery and battery holder to the end of the lock housing. Secure battery holder by inserting hex tool into the battery holder screw and turn clockwise to tighten. Position cover over the battery holder and secure by snapping the cover down. Verify operation.